In this video, we'll show you how to add a clock to your Windows 11 desktop or laptop. So to do this, first head to the Microsoft Store and then search for this app called Widgets. It's a free app that you can download and use to add a clock widget. So simply download it and then open it. Now here you need to go to this Store tab first, and here look for this time widget. There are also other widgets that you can check out. So once you have selected the time widget, simply download it using a button here. Once you have downloaded the widget, go to the home tab of the app, select create widget, and then select the time widget that you have just downloaded. Now select create again to confirm. Once you do this, a widget like this will appear on your desktop and you can move it anywhere you like. You can also right click on it and then select always on top if you want the widget to appear always on top of your apps. So if you open File Explorer for instance, it will appear like this, but if you don't want that, simply uncheck this always on top option. Once you've added the widget, you can right click on it again and then select customize, or you can also select this advanced option and then remove the widget from here. So let's just go to customize menu, and here you will see several options to customize the widget. So you can go to this preferences menu to switch to the 12-hour format, or you can also configure it to show seconds. So we're just going to go to this menu. Now here you can customize various things about the widget, including the background blur, or you can customize its color, and you can even select a different font style depending on what you like. So yeah, it's a free to use widget that you can add to your desktop, and there are also other widgets in this app that you can check out.